In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear watch history in YouTube Kids. This is a quick way to refresh recommendations, remove past viewing activity for a specific child, and give the app a clean slate. I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the YouTube Kids app on your device. On the home screen, look to the bottom corner for the lock icon. That lock is the gateway to the grown-ups area, which is where the watch history controls live. Tap the lock icon to continue. You'll be asked to complete a quick parent verification. Depending on your settings, you'll either solve a simple math problem or enter the custom passcode you set up for parental controls. Take a moment to complete that verification. After you verify, select your child's profile. If you manage more than one profile, make sure you choose the correct one, because the history you clear will only apply to the profile you pick. At this point, you may see a prompt asking you to log in to your parent account. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in so the app can confirm you're the account holder. Once you're signed in and in the correct profile, scroll down through the options until you find Clear History. It may be grouped with other parental tools, so take your time to scan the list. When you see Clear History, tap it. A confirmation message will pop up to make sure you really want to remove the watch history for this profile. This is your chance to double-check you've selected the right child. If everything looks good, confirm by tapping Clear. That's it. The watch history for that profile is now deleted. You'll likely notice that recommendations and the home feed begin to adjust, since the app no longer uses the old viewing activity for suggestions. This change applies only to the selected child's profile. Other profiles are unaffected. A few tips to wrap up. After clearing, play a few videos you're comfortable with so the app can relearn what to recommend. If you don't see the Clear History option, make sure you're verified as a parent and that your app is up to date. Also, remember that clearing watch history doesn't remove downloaded content or affect any other services on your device. And that's how you clear watch history in YouTube Kids. Simple, secure, and profile-specific. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.